Hello, you're watching Shubhadeep's Travel Diary.
Hello and welcome back. My backpack is ready to go. Today we are going to Chikmagalur from Bangalore. Now I have planned for 5 days tour to Chikmagalur, Gorur, and Uti, and on the way we shall visit Bangalore, Sakleshpur, Mysore and Kunnur. Today's video will show you journey to Chikmagalur, and on the way we'll go to Shettihalli Rosary Church. All set everyone with seat belt, and now let's go. Let me give you brief about Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur is a hill station of Karnataka state of Western Ghats. This is city of coffee, plantation and home of elephants, tigers and leopards. This road is really nice. Coconut trees all around me, and the road is smooth. Road top speed is 80 kilometers per hour, and my car is running smoothly with 80 kilometers speed. This road has multiple tolls, and one is going to come. My car has fast track, so no delay, just go from the lane and toll amount will be deducted from my wallet. Fast tag is an automated system to pay toll on highways in India. Once you register on fast tag system, they gives a chip sticker to set on the car. You need to recharge your FASTag wallet by bank transfer. When you need to pay toll, you just drive from FASTag lane. On the lane, they set a machine to read the card chip. Once it reads, just take toll amount from wallet and you can go. We are driving almost 2 hours, and it's time for break near Savannah Gura city in Hassan district. This city has a huge 58 monolithic statue of Gometeshwara of Jain tradition. Here on every 12 years, Jain festival happens. We are roadside tea shop and having some snacks, juice, tea and cucumber. Okay, now break is over and go again. Need to go. My sister is in her seat belt with her baby seat belt. Whenever you ride car, must wear seat belt. Seat belt can save your life. First, in my car, everyone need to wear seat belt. Wonderful sky with the cloud, and road is just wow from long drive. Now I shall do my lunch in this hotel. We had our lunch with Karnataka style thali. After lunch, I am going to eat tasty ice cream. We will first go to Shettihalli Rosary Church, and it's around 25 kilometers from Hassan city. We need to travel from narrow road. This is Gorur Hemavathi Reservoir. We can see only a portion of reservoir, and it's so big. You can see the church in the water.
এই যে স্ট্যান্ড ছাড়া হাত কাঁপছে, জিম করেছি। বাবা
এই মিঠি
আমি দেখতে পারবো না, আমি দেখতে পারবো না।
এই যে এখানে বসো।
Almost evening and we have time constant, so we can't go to Gorur Dam, which is around 10 kilometers from here. Hemavathi River has started from Gorur Dam, and the dam is so big, just like a huge lake. We had planned to visit Helbedu in Hassan, but due of limited time we can't visit. We again started a journey towards Bangalore, which is around 35 kilometers from here. Bangalore is a famous Lord Vishnu temple of 12th century called Kesava Temple, also known as the Chikmagalur Temple. This temple was built by Hausara Empire and it took 103 years to complete, but 3 generations. On day 3, shall show details of the temple. Now I have crossed Bangalore and my car is going towards Chikmagalur. On the way we can see multiple hills and top of hills windmill are there to generate green energy. The sun is going to set. The sky has become red. This is comparatively narrow road, so I cannot go fast. We are very close to Chikmagalur and this dam. Behind the dam, the sun is going to set. Now it is totally red and awesome it looks. No more words, just enjoy the sunset. You can't get it in the city. This is the beautiful of nature.
কে যেন বলেছিল সূর্যাস্ত দেখা যাবে না?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. The sun has set. Light will remain for just few more minutes and I have reached in Chikmagalur area. Tomorrow morning we'll visit Chikmagalur tourist places. It's very beautiful, maybe better than Switzerland, which I have shown you in earlier episodes. To watch more travels videos, please subscribe my channel and like to my channel. Comment to tell me how do you like my video. Stay in touch and be happy. Have a good day. Bye bye.